So other brand new, just released Turtle Beach Stealth Pro worth nearly 300 British pounds? I would say yes. Right, let's find out. Quick disclaimer here before I continue. Turtle Beach did send these headphones over for a Instagram promotion, but they have never asked me to do this video, and they certainly don't know what I'm saying in this video. They have not seen this video before you guys, so all opinions are my own. Now let's crack on with the video. Everyone, I'm CheCo, and this is a brand new Turtle Beach Stealth Pro headset. All around, I have used different brands in the past, from SteelSeries, Razer, Majority, JBL, wireless, wire, USB ones. How does the Stealth Pro stack up? Let's find out. So I'm gonna start with the unboxing impressions, because in the box itself you will find the headphones, a detachable microphone. You have two sets of USB A to C, one longer, one shorter, a bag, battery transmitter, they are over here, an extra battery as well, then documentation, and of course a Turtle Beach sticker. Now the Stealth Pro are super stylish with not huge gaming vibe in your face, and only come in black with some silver hints around. And the material itself are plastic with a little bit of like type of steel, aluminium design over here for the silver parts of the headphones, as you can see over here. But the ear cups are over here, which are great for noise insulation. And the top band is super adjustable, and you've got a couple of notches over here so you can adjust it however you want. But the padding on the ear pad itself is pretty good, and the same for the ear cups as well. They are really good. Now, how comfortable are the Stealth Pro? Because if you wear it for long period of times while gaming or working, you need something that is not going to start becoming uncomfortable after a couple hours. And I must say, they are incredibly comfortable. The ear cushions are soft and do not put too much pressure. Even if you're wearing some glasses, for example, some gaming glasses or reading glasses, you can wear them and you can easily just wear the headphones as well, and it's perfect. No pressure whatsoever in your ears. I mean, they do feel really good, and I have been wearing it for hours and hours while gaming and editing and everything, and they're really comfortable. But the ear cups also swivel, so you can have it in a lay flat position, or while gaming you can just swivel it as well and take it down to your neck if you want to talk to someone or have a conversation. But they do not go inside, they just swivel, and that's the only effect they do, and they only swivel 90 degrees to the side. They don't go all the way around, so do not force them. But everything is super adjustable, as I mentioned, and I mean, they do feel incredible in your head, to be honest. But now, how do they sound? Because, of course, we want to know how they sound. Out of the box, the sound is incredible. With lag-free, thanks to the 2.4 wireless connection, thanks to this little transmitter over here. But sound is super rich with no distortion at whole volumes whatsoever. And thanks to the 50mm nano clear drivers, and thanks to the Turtle Beach software, you can personalize this one's to your desire, from boosting the treble, the bass, the vocals, giving it preference for gaming or for chat, multiple EQs as well, and something very cool, superhuman hearing in one single button that activates with that button over here next to the power button, and you can customize it to keep it more gunshots or more footsteps, depends on the type of game you're playing, and this can be also all selected with the software. But on the side, you got two programmable buttons. You got the middle button over here that you can change it to prioritize some EQs that you have set, or noise cancellation. In my case, this is what I got it. You press it once, noise cancellation activates. You press it again, ANC come off, because they got a great inbuilt ANC or active noise cancellation. But then you got the wheel as well. And the wheel, I got it to control the volume at the moment. So it's very handy when you got it on and you can just swivel it around and you can control the volume. But again, this is all fully programmable by the software from Turtle Beach. But I think the main feature of the Turtle Beach Stealth Pro are multi-device capability. So if you go in Amazon or you go to buy them, I will leave the link down below. But if you go to buy them, you got two options. You got the Xbox version, that is what I got over here, and at the back, you can see that is a Xbox and PC over there. And that's just in the transmitter that we'll talk about in a second. And then you got the PlayStation version. It's something very strange here. Because if you buy the Xbox version, you can connect it to your Xbox, your Nintendo Switch, your PC, and your PlayStation. And of course, they've got Bluetooth as well, so you can connect it to your phone, to your laptop. You can connect it how many ways you want. But the main part is, if you get the Xbox, you can connect it to Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and many other. Now, if you get the PlayStation version, apart from the LED ring around here that, in my case, goes green, in the PlayStation version, it will go blue. But you cannot use them for the Xbox. You can use it for PlayStation, Switch, Bluetooth, connected to the PC, but not Xbox. So, I mean, it's choose one but not the other. So, in my case, I decided to go for the Xbox version because if I ever get a PlayStation 5, I can still use them. If you get the PlayStation 1s and you decide to change ecosystems and go to Xbox, you cannot use them. And yeah, this is multi-device with this beautiful transmitter over here that you got a switch at the back and you got for console or for PC, and that changed some stuff inside internally in the software. You got a USB charge only and you got USB-C, that this is how this connects to, again, your console, Xbox or PlayStation, your computer over here, or any other device. But I have tested already for the PC, the Switch. I have connected to my phone via Bluetooth 5.2, and it's incredible. I mean, this gives you lag-free, but by Bluetooth, this sound incredible as well. And you can still use all the features like ANC and the wheel to control the volume as well. But now talking about Bluetooth, what is the range? So by Bluetooth, they go up to 50 meters. With that, you can get probably a little bit more. And I found it very useful while watching TV at night. I can connect it to my TV by Bluetooth, can put it on, go to the kitchen, get some snacks, and our TV will be rolling the preview from the series and stuff like that. Or in a game, while the game is loading, you can have it on, walk in and out everywhere. That, just keep it all connected. And if you ever disconnect, it does make an audible sound like a bleep bleep. And you know that you have to disconnect, and when you get back in range, it will connect again. Now, another great feature, apart from the detachable microphone, they do have microphones integrated, so you can actually use it like this with no detachable microphone, but you can just put the detachable microphone on, get it down, and get it close to your mouth over there. And the microphone is actually it's a very, very good microphone. It got a very nice range, and it got some clever software as well to noise isolate yourself if you've got any noise in the background whatsoever. But apart from the microphone feature is the battery. Because this thing, I would say it got unlimited battery. Inside this cover on the left ear, you have the battery. See it? Yeah. That battery can easily be pop it out and connect it to the dock, the transmitter that you got over here. So that goes there, and that will start charging straight away. And it comes with the second battery, and you just do the same process by the other way around. You plug that one in, you align all the magnets together, and that's go. Now, each battery gives you 12 hours. So 12 hours for that one, 12 hours for that one. That's a whole day. If you got that one on charge, you got that one on, and you swap it, you can be swapping over and over and over, literally infinity. And if you want to break any world record Guinness on live stream or something like that, they're probably are the perfect ones for it. Now, the big conclusion is, do you need to buy the Turtle Beach Stealth Pro for 279 British pounds? I would say yes, because as I mentioned, multi-device, got a great noise cancellation, got a magnificent sound quality. They look beautiful, they do not scream gaming everywhere. I can easily just wear this, connected by Bluetooth on my phone, and just travel around with them with no problem whatsoever. They look quite unique, no cables around. If you want to use the cable, yeah, USB-C, and you can connect it directly to the computer, and that would charge the internal battery at the same time. But I mean, the whole point of this is you got the transmitter over here, and you can use it all day, every day. Hope you like this video, guys. I will be leaving more videos over here if you want to watch it. More headphones, maybe some racing sim. Who knows? Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm CheCo Tech. Hope you enjoy. Please let me know in the comments below. Let's play some games.